Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen at home without instant noodles. First, let's focus on the heart of any great ramen, the broth. You'll want to simmer pork or chicken bones with aromatics like ginger, garlic, and green onions for at least 4 to 6 hours. This slow process extracts all the rich flavors, creating a deeply satisfying base. For a vegetarian option, a mushroom and kombu dashi works wonderfully, offering a complex umami profile. Next, let's talk about the noodles. While instant noodles are out, fresh ramen noodles are readily available at most Asian markets, or you can even make them from scratch. Cook them in a separate pot of rapidly boiling water for just 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring they remain perfectly al dente. Drain them quickly and give them a brief rinse to stop the cooking process and remove any extra starch. Now for the exciting part, the toppings. These add layers of flavor and texture to your bowl. A classic choice is a perfectly soft boiled egg, often marinated in soy sauce for extra depth. Thinly sliced chashu pork, tender and flavorful, is another staple. Don't forget fresh scallions, crisp bamboo shoots, and a sheet of nori for that authentic ramen experience. Feel free to get creative with your favorites. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Start by warming your serving bowls. This helps keep your ramen hot longer. Ladle your rich, hot broth into the warmed bowls, then carefully add the perfectly cooked noodles. Arrange your beautiful toppings artfully on top, ensuring each element is visible. Serve immediately and enjoy the incredible flavors of your homemade, non-instant ramen. It's truly a rewarding culinary journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.